How to insert Roman numerals and numbers in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to insert Roman numerals and numbers in a Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. First, I will add Roman numerals. Go to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, then choose where you want your page number to appear, either top of page or bottom of page. Now, click Page Number again and select Format Page Numbers. Here, you can select the style. So, I will select Roman numerals, click Start At, and click OK. Close the header and footer and scroll through your document and you will see the pages now display Roman numerals. Next, I will add numbers. Now let's switch to numbers. Go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. And choose the same style as before. Click Page Number again, then select Format Page Numbers. This time, select Numbers and click Start At, then click OK. Close the header and footer, scroll through your document, and you will see the new section now uses numbers. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.